How do health and social care organizations evaluate their financial performance? Understanding financial statements and ratios is crucial. This video explores the key components and methods for effective financial analysis. Financial statements are vital for assessing an organization's financial health. They include the profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Estimates and assumptions play a significant role. These statements provide a snapshot of financial position and performance. They are essential for making informed economic decisions. Financial ratios offer insights into liquidity, efficiency, and profitability. They help compare current performance with past results or competitors. Ratios simplify complex data into understandable metrics. However, they have limitations and should be used with caution. They are tools to aid in financial analysis, not definitive answers. Financial statements alone can be misleading without proper analysis. Comparing profits across years or with competitors offers deeper insights. Ratio analysis supports these comparisons effectively. It's vital for users to interpret financial statements correctly. This enables drawing valid conclusions and making informed decisions. Different users require varied information from financial statements. Shareholders focus on returns and business stability. Suppliers and lenders assess security of debts. Management looks at profit trends for success measurement. Financial institutions, employees, and journalists also have specific needs. Ratio analysis involves simple calculations from data interactions. It links costs, sales, wages, and inventory levels. Ratios present these interactions concisely. They are not useful in isolation, requiring context. A checklist can aid in effective data analysis and commentary. Profitability and liquidity are key financial health indicators. They reveal how well a company generates profits and manages resources. Analyzing these aspects helps in understanding financial stability. Both metrics are crucial for assessing investment risks. Proper evaluation can guide better financial decisions. Horizontal analysis compares performance across similar companies. It introduces an independent benchmark for evaluation. Choosing a comparable company in the same industry is crucial. This analysis is not without criticism due to potential biases. Still, it offers valuable insights into relative performance. Industry average comparison uses aggregated data from similar companies. It provides anonymity and avoids single company bias. This method helps in assessing relative performance. It's useful for investment, acquisition, or loan decisions. Contextual understanding is vital for accurate interpretation. Financial ratios may highlight company weaknesses. It's important to have a plan to address these issues. Business turnaround can be a gradual process. Ratios focus on past data, which may not tell the whole story. Strategic planning is essential for future improvements. Financial decisions impact business ratios significantly. Investing or lending decisions must consider these effects. A profitable business with poor liquidity might benefit from loans. Understanding ratio implications is crucial for decision-making. Financial analysis guides these critical choices effectively. In comparing Papaka and Anika, different strengths emerge. Papaka excels in profitability but shows high risk. Anika has better debt and liquidity ratios. Risk-averse investors may prefer Anika. Despite lower profitability, Anika offers stability and solvency. Financial analysis informs managerial decisions in healthcare. It guides investment, cost management, and strategic planning. Managers must interpret data to propose effective actions. Financial insights support organizational goals. They ensure sustainable growth and profitability. Evaluating financial performance involves multiple factors. It requires analyzing statements, ratios, and industry comparisons. Comprehensive evaluation supports informed decision-making. It highlights strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. Effective evaluation drives organizational success. Financial analysis faces challenges like data accuracy and interpretation. Assumptions and estimates can affect outcomes. Contextual understanding is crucial for valid conclusions. Analysts must navigate these complexities carefully. Overcoming challenges enhances analysis effectiveness. The future of financial analysis lies in technology and data analytics. Advanced tools offer deeper insights and predictive capabilities. They enhance accuracy and efficiency in evaluations. Embracing innovation is key for staying competitive. Financial analysis continues to evolve with new trends. Effective financial analysis is crucial for health and social care organizations. It involves evaluating statements, ratios, and industry data. By understanding these elements, you can make informed decisions. For further questions, please contact us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. Thank you for listening. We'll see you at the next session.